Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on About Phone. Here we've got the section Backup and Restore, and let's scroll down to the Google Backup section. Actually, all we have to do is to simply tap on Backup Account, and if you cannot find this option or it is inactive, it simply means that this one, the Backup My Data option, is turned off. So simply enter it and tap on the switcher in order to turn it on. So let's tap on Backup Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it. So now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, and I believe we will have a Google One information, so let's tap on accept. And as I said, here we've got the section with the Google One info. So here you can check that you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Your device will, of course, back up the data automatically and will store it securely. And you are able to manage the backup whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And basically, this is it. Let's tap here. If we can do anything more. No. Alright, so basically this is it. That's all we can do here. What's more, here you've got also the option to automatically restore the backed up settings and data when you will reinstall the app, so you can turn it off or on. It's up to you, of course. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google Backup in your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.